Are you tired of logging every time you open Klarna app? In this video, I will show you how to stay logged in on the Klarna app so you can access your account faster without repeated logins. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application of Klarna. As you see, I will already here sign in, so I will tap to sign in and I will log to the application. As you see here, when I enter to this application or when I sign in, I will go here to this sign of more. As you see here in this page of more settings, you will tap on security and privacy. Then you will find this sign of always require sign in, so you will tap here to disable this always require sign in like this, and in this way you will be able to stop logging in every time on Klarna app. So when we enter to this application again, they will not require for you to sign in again. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next